Looking to upgrade the radio in your 1995 to 1997 Nissan? Imagine swapping out that outdated factory unit for a modern double-DIN or two single-DIN radios, without the headache of complicated wiring or custom modifications. This installation kit promises a seamless transition, designed specifically for select Nissan models, so you get a perfect fit every time. I recently replaced the 22-year-old OEM Clarion radio in my Nissan using this kit, and the difference was clear. The kit comes with all the hardware necessary to install aftermarket radios, including a quick conversion from 2-shaft to DIN. It even supports 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch DIN equalizers thanks to its recessed DIN opening. Plus, it plugs directly into the factory radio harness with one 10-pin and one 6-pin connector, making the process straightforward, though it does require careful matching of wire colors to ensure everything powers up correctly. What really stands out is the comprehensive instruction manual. It walks you through each step, so even if you're not a professional installer, you can feel confident tackling the job yourself. The result? A clean, professional-looking upgrade that maintains your car's original wiring integrity and sound system functionality. If you're tired of your Nissan's outdated radio and want a hassle-free way to install a modern system, this kit is worth a look. It's designed for perfect form, fit, and function, making your upgrade smooth and reliable. Try it when you're ready to bring new life to your car's audio experience.